Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is your ultimate portable power solution. This incredible portable charger keeps all your devices powered up for days, a true game changer for travel or daily use. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, it can charge your iPhone over 6 times, offering unparalleled freedom from outlets. But it's not just capacity. Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology intelligently identifies your device for the fastest, safest charge possible. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing or multitasking on the go. Forget slow, unreliable power banks. This Anker portable charger is built for efficiency and durability, a smart electronics essential for 2025. If you're ready for the best portable charging experience, find the official Amazon link in the description below. It's surprisingly compact for such immense power, making it an ideal travel companion and a reliable everyday backup. What truly sets the PowerCore 20,000 mAh apart is its perfect blend of high capacity, smart charging, and robust build quality at an unbeatable value. Don't get caught with a dead battery again. Grab your Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh today and stay powered up.